Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Robinhood cash account. First, open your Robinhood app and tap the person icon to access your profile. Then, scroll down and select Investing, followed by Cash Management. You'll then see an option to apply for the cash account. Just follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete your application. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once your cash account is approved, the next step is funding it. You'll need to link your external bank account to Robinhood, which is a secure process. After linking, you can initiate a transfer of funds. Remember, while the transfer is usually quick, it might take 2 to 3 business days for the funds to fully settle and become available for use. A Robinhood cash account offers several great benefits. You can earn competitive interest on any uninvested cash, helping your money grow. Plus, you have the option to get a Robinhood debit card for easy access to your funds. Importantly, your cash is FDIC insured up to $2.5 million through a network of program banks, providing significant peace of mind. Before you fully dive in, it's important to review the specific terms and conditions of your cash account. Also, be mindful of any daily or monthly limits that might apply to transfers or withdrawals. Regularly monitoring your account activity and statements will help you stay informed and ensure everything is running smoothly. It's always good to be aware of these details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.